Alright guys, today we're gonna go rip the KX500 in the desert. Hardest part of this is gonna be starting it. Alright guys, we're out here, so I don't have a cameraman, so I'm just gonna do my best to record with the tripod. And so the sun's almost going down, so I gotta try to ride real quick. Alright, here goes. Alright, on to the next spot. Alright guys, so here's a hill climb. Can you see that? I don't think so. Try to focus down there. Alright, here we go. Hill climb. Alright guys, that's the hill climb. Alright guys, so this is my favorite jump in the desert. One of the only jumps in the desert where I am. So, let's see, hopefully it comes out good. Alright, here comes a shot of me just giving it all she's got, Scotty. That's it. Alright guys, so I'm here. I made it to my favorite resting spot when I like to come ride. I like to come here. But yeah, definitely a fun ride. Only thing is, the suspension on this thing is like so soft. It needs to be completely rebuilt. So I have the fork seals. I'm gonna do the fork seals, but I need to see where I could get the parts for the rear shock. And then what else? Oh, it's kind of has like a lean bog or whatever at idle, or whenever you put it in neutral. Or I already replaced the crank seals on this thing, so it's definitely not the crank seals. And then yeah, it just does it. It does it when you're rolling. When you're rolling and then you let off the gas, it'll start to like rev high, like it's real lean. But yeah, this thing is sick. Classic KX, original exhaust. It's got brand new tires. Tires are practically brand new. And then when you're riding this thing, this seat feels amazing. So soft. And then when you grab the bike with your legs, right here is where your legs come. Not like the new motocross bikes. That's just all metal right there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty fun ride. But yeah, I wasn't hitting the ramps too hard because the suspension doesn't feel good. It feels too soft. It's not like what I'm used to. So I wasn't going that hard on them. But yeah, KX500 rip out in the desert. It's got the large capacity tank, so pretty much never run out of gas. Anyways, thanks for watching. Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Later. Just got done riding, guys. KX500 was pretty fun. Just a more serious note, if any of you guys ever have suicidal thoughts or are thinking about taking your own life, just don't do it. It's definitely not worth it. You'll hurt the ones around you, and it's a pain that can never be refilled again or taken away. So no matter how long it's been, But so if you have suicidal thoughts, or if you're thinking about taking your own life, pray to God, pray to the Lord Jesus Christ, and read the Bible every day. He'll help you through everything, so he'll never let you down. So my little brother took his own life in May of 2014, and it's a pain that nobody could ever take away. So yeah, just if you ever have any feelings like that, or if you're thinking about that, just don't do it. Pray. You need to pray to the Lord Jesus Christ, and even reach out to me. I can help you out. So there's always somebody that cares, especially God and the Lord Jesus Christ. He cares about you the most. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Lord Jesus Christ bless you.